Alright, today I just got a really quick video. Just wanted to show people how to change the battery in their key fob. Specifically, I have a 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee, but this will work for any kind of key fob that's battery operated. So I'll show you how to take that apart today without any tools required. Alright, so the first step is to just move this bar across on the bottom of the key to slide out the key. Next part, see if I can get a good angle at it. If you can see right there, there's a little hole. What you do is, you can use a screwdriver or even just the key itself, push that in, and use that to pry open the key or the key fob apart. Trying to see if we can get a good angle on this for you. So as you can see, I kind of pop this open, and there you go. There's the battery. And as you can see, it is specifically a DL2032. So that's what you'll take to the store to replace it. When you have your new battery, you might notice that on the bottom of the key fob, there is a little plus sign. And that indicates, as you can see on the new battery or on any battery, the plus sign will then go down. Click that in. Should be nice and flat in there. And that is now your new battery. The next part is just to clasp these two halves together. So just wanted to show one thing before you put the key back together, is there's a little gasket on this top part of the key fob, and on the bottom there's not. So basically that gasket should go around, you can see that, should go around the key, and then it should click flat. That's one thing I noticed, is that when it wasn't closed all the way properly, sometimes the key wouldn't be recognized by the Jeep. So just make sure that it's nice and tight, and it should click nice and flat. Okay, and then the last step is to just slide the key back in once you have it closed, and you should be good to go. I will say that some symptoms of a bad battery, obviously your key fob won't work when you try and unlock the car. Also, sometimes if you have a remote start, that obviously won't be started from the key. And even when you try and get in the car, push the ignition button, it might say that the key fob isn't detected. So yeah, simple repair, and hope that helps.